Hello friends, welcome back to All Things DIY. So today we're going to make this narwhal, and I have this mold here. And so I've already melted my candy melt, and I'm pouring my blue candy melt in here like so. Just gonna scrape all that and then brush it all out, make sure it's all even. And I find that this spear is really hard to use and work with, so it's awesome. I'll link everything down below so you guys can find it. So now I have black fondant, white fondant, and blue fondant. And I'm going to make the stuff for the faces. And here you go. So now I'm going to roll some circles for the eyes, like that. There you go, little small ones for the small part of the eyes. Now I need some black, and I'm going to turn this into a circle. And this is for his eyeballs. For his eyes, actually. The little ones are for his eyeballs, the white ones. Then I'm going to use a random cap that I found, and I'm going to make 2 circles like so. And the white powdery stuff is sugar powder, because the fondant was kind of sticky, so I had to put some sugar flour on there. And then I'm going to add some of the blue in this unicorn horn mold that I got. And I'm going to put it on that side, and then this side. I'll link everything that I use in the description so you guys can find it on Amazon, like so. And then because obviously it didn't go all the way up, I'm going to fill the ends like that, put that in the freezer, and wait for it to harden. While that's hardening, now I'm going to make the little circles here, and this is going to be like, you know, kind of like the hair for the narwhal, or the fins, or whatever you want to call those, like that. Got the candy on the bottom, put the mold on top, and then now I'm going to add some candy melt to stick the eyes on like that. There you go. Cute. Okay. And then I'm going to make a smiley face with black fondant like that. It's kind of uneven. Let me just roll this back out again. There you go. Now he's smiling. Then I'm using edible paint, and I'm going to use the pink, and I'm going to paint blush, little rosy cheeks on him on both sides like that. There you go. Cute. I actually don't like using edible paint that much. I find edible paint to be really uneven. So now I'm taking out the horn, and I'm going to just shave it all down, make sure it's even. I'm using the edible white gold dust, or sorry, not white, gold dust, and I'm dusting it all over the horn like so. And then remember those circles that I was cutting? So I'm just going to attach it here, and it's not sticking, so I have to put some candy melt to stick that. Then there you go, attach the horn, and then doing the bottom with the white right there. Just going to add some more here because the circles kind of look weird. Now I'm doing the fins on the narwhal on the sides, and it's just a circle, and you just kind of pinch one side to give it that little edge right there. Clean it up a little bit, and there you go. There's the narwhal. I hope you guys like my video. If you do, check out all my other videos that I have up. And thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Have fun smashing cakes. Bye, friends.